get these bitches. I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different girl. I come from a different world. It ain't even worth us. Yo, look at that black, yo. Queen.
Hey sis, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie. If you're new over here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because you're gonna love it here. And we do a bunch of DIYs, a bunch of vlogs over here, and I create custom pieces for myself and for others. And if you're interested in something like that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Join the family. So I decided to make this dress for my guy birthday. I did use this pattern piece that I made back then or whatever. I threw him a surprise party. If y'all haven't watched the vlog already, go and check it out. But anywho, y'all, I am using this shirt right here to make the sleeves. You can use patterns if you like. I like to use what I have at home to save a little cash, okay? Of course, you're going to go ahead and lay it out and make another one, 2 sleeves. And right here I measured around my hand because y'all, I wanted to make that little thing where you slide the thumb through and you can have like a little long hand dress. I don't know what you want to call it, but anyways, I made one of those. Y'all see what I'm talking about. And right here I am cutting out the size of the dress. I wanted to put a little strip of blue and a little strip of red that going down the side of the dress. I wanted to keep it nice and simple, nothing too major. Y'all know how I like to do. But anyways, you're gonna need 2 pieces of red and 2 pieces of blue, and this is all the pieces that you should need. I am just going ahead and pinning this down on each side. And y'all, this method that I am showing y'all is not the proper method, but like I said, this was last minute and I am self-taught. And I did have, like, once I finished and I put it on, it did have like a little lumps on the side, but I ended up going in to fix it or whatever. But I didn't record it, of course, because I had to get going or whatever. But I'm gonna find the proper way to install like extra little side pieces like this. But I am just going to attach these together, and we're going to attach the top of the dress together as well. And we are just going to go ahead and sew those 2 together. So now you want to take that small blue strip and the red strip and pin it to the end of the sleeves, of course, right sides together. And now you just want to sew that across first, like so. So on this clip, I didn't show y'all exactly what I did. You just want to flip the red piece over to the other side and sew a top stitch across that, if you get what I'm saying. I hope y'all understand. But as you can see, you can kind of understand what I did. I literally just flip it over and sew it. So y'all, right here we just pinning the sleeves together and we just gonna sew it. I wasn't as detailed right here. I don't know what happened to the footage, but I didn't record that part. So right here I'm just showing y'all that I went ahead and pinned like the arms and the side of the dress all down, and now I am just sewing that all together. And right here we are hemming up the bottom of the dress. This is what it's looking like, nice and neat. So y'all, I was gonna be done with the dress, but I decided to put a hole in the back, so that's why I'm doing this part last. And I literally just cut the hole. I didn't like hem up the hole or anything like that. Like I said, again, this was last minute, so it was doing what it needed to do for me. I liked it. And this is what it's looking like. Perfect little hole. This is the final and finishing look. I hope y'all like it. I love it. And comment down below, let me know what y'all think. get into it, y'all. I topped it off with the glasses. I didn't want to wear heels, so I put on my little Yeezy shoe. And yeah, it's giving what it needs to give. And I'm going to drop some clips of me and my boo so y'all can see where I got the inspiration from. And also, if y'all want the shirt, the Medusa hair shirt, shop, line, call, I'll list that down below as well. And I love you guys oh so much. And I'm out. Peace. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button.